Welcome to Talk It Do It, the channel where we take tech to more than hello world. In this episode, we take what we did in part 1, where we created custom AI agents in Python, each having a specific task and goal, and using OpenAI as the large language model. In future videos, we will also explore using other models. Let's have a quick replay of what we did in part 1. We created the base agent class, then the syntax agent, then the best practices agent, then the optimization agent, then the review agent, and finally, we initialized the agents. Here is a quick show of the created Terraform code, with the inline comments showing our custom AI agents worked. Fantastic. Now in this video, we will create a GitHub Actions pipeline, which will run our agents, prepare the files that get created, and create a pull request all via the pipeline itself. The 3 files in this case are the review report, the token forecast, and the updated Terraform code with inline comments. Imagine the scenario where this question is asked: can I use my custom AI agents in a pipeline? We can answer with, of course. Let's build a GitHub Actions pipeline right now. Are you ready? Let's go do it. What do you need to have for this part 2 video? You will need a GitHub account. Free is fine to use. You will need to create a GitHub secret, where we will put our OpenAI key. Let me show you how to create a GitHub secret. Go to Settings, Secrets and Variables. Choose Actions, then create your secret. You can create an environment if you want. Now we need to allow Actions to create pull requests so our pipeline can work. Go to Settings, then Actions, then General, and scroll until you see Allow GitHub Actions to create and approve pull requests. Make sure it is ticked and press Save. Quick note, make sure to pull the latest code, as I have added a MarkdownFormatterAgent so we can have the review report in Markdown. So we're all set up and ready to go. Open your preferred IDE. I'm using Z, but you can use what you want. Now let's start writing our YAML code. Make sure to place in a .github/workflows directory. Then let's create a YAML file. You can call it what you want. To recap, we are using the Python code from part 1, creating a YAML file for our pipeline, which will check out our main branch, set up Python, create the directories we need. It will also use our Terraform input file, run the agents, configure our Git setup, which sets some parameters, create a new branch for these commits, and then once the agents have completed, creates a pull request to main branch, which includes the review report file, the token forecasts file, and our Terraform code with the added inline comments. We're just adding the final task in this YAML file, which is to create a branch for the GitHub Pages review report. Now let me show you the Python code I updated, which adds the MarkdownFormatterAgent. This is just a small change, but it makes a big difference to have Markdown format rather than text. This allows us in future updates to explore options for auto-ingesting this Markdown data using tools like Backstage or mkdocs. Maybe in another video I can show you how we can do this. Drop a comment below and let me know, and I can add to my list. Grab all the code from the repo. Okay, that is all done. Now let's use the command to allow an empty commit and push this commit. We can check the pipeline starts to run, successfully completes each task, and creates the pull request. Great, it all worked. We should see our created files and code changes exactly as we want it to do in the pull request. Fantastic, we've moved our custom agent logic into a pipeline. In part 3, we will complete this pipeline and automate the pull request review and merge to the main branch. I will also explore how we could make use of Copilot for the pull request review and merge. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please subscribe and like, and have a wonderful day. Thanks again for your time.